Imagine this. You're sitting under palm trees, ocean breeze in your face, a cold drink in hand, and your whole day just cost less than a fast food meal back home. It sounds unreal, right? But what if I told you it's not just possible, it's happening every day, in places most people haven't even considered? Welcome to a world where smart travelers live like kings, on the budget of a student. Hey there, globetrotters. You're watching TripSense Studio. Let's get one thing straight. Travel isn't just for the rich. It's for the clever. It's for those who know where to go, when to go, and how to make every rupee, dollar, or euro stretch farther. This is your guide to the cheapest countries to travel in, where you can have luxury, adventure, and culture without breaking your wallet. Let's start planning your escape. Number 1. Vietnam. Royal living on a noodle budget. Vietnam is every budget traveler's dream. In cities like Hanoi or Hoi An, you can start your day with strong local coffee for less than 50 cents. Walk down any street and you'll find street vendors serving hot, steamy bowls of pho that cost less than $1 and taste like heaven. Accommodation? Clean, cozy guest houses with Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and breakfast included go for $10 to $15 per night. You could even rent a scooter and ride through rice fields, explore ancient pagodas, or cruise through Ha Long Bay without spending more than $20 a day. The beauty is that nothing feels budget here. The culture is rich. The food is divine. And the views? They belong on a postcard. If you've ever dreamed of living richly on very little, Vietnam is your proof that it's possible. Number 2. Georgia. Europe's hidden gem. Georgia, no, not the U.S. state, the country tucked between Europe and Asia, is like stepping into a fairy tale. Think cobblestone streets, dramatic mountains, and fresh-baked khachapuri cheese bread that makes your soul happy. Tbilisi, the capital, has old-world charm mixed with hip cafes and warm-hearted locals. You can get a hot meal, salad, bread, and wine for under $5. Transportation is cheap and scenic. Imagine trains rolling through the Caucasus Mountains for just a few bucks. Accommodations range from hostels to homestays, many under $15 per night. Georgia is also perfect for hikers, photographers, and anyone who wants a European-style trip without European prices. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, and best of all, it's still undiscovered by the crowds. Number 3. Pakistan. Untouched beauty for pennies. Pakistan is one of the most underrated destinations in the world, and one of the cheapest. Whether it's the blue lakes of Skardu, the green valleys of Swat, or the majestic peaks of Hunza, you'll feel like you've stepped into a painting. Chai at a roadside dhaba? Just 30 rupees. Fresh parathas, lentils, and eggs for breakfast? Under $1. Intercity travel by bus or train is also incredibly cheap and reliable. But it's not just the costs, it's the hospitality. People welcome you like family. It's one of the few countries where you'll be offered tea, shelter, and directions, all for free. The mountains don't just take your breath away, they restore your soul. It's a budget destination, yes, but it feels like a spiritual retreat. Number 4. Albania. Europe's last affordable coastline. Think of Albania as Greece's lesser-known but equally beautiful cousin, with prices that'll make your jaw drop. Here you'll find turquoise beaches, ancient ruins, and Mediterranean cuisine that tastes gourmet but costs like street food. In coastal towns like Saranda or Himara, you can rent a sea-facing Airbnb for $20 a night. A 3-course meal, complete with seafood and dessert? $7, maybe $8 if you're feeling fancy. Transportation is simple. Buses or shared vans connect towns for pennies. The scenery is wild and pure. Mountain roads, olive trees, cliffside castles. Albania is Europe without the crowds, without the price tag, and definitely without the stress. Number 5. Indonesia. Islands, volcanoes, and a whole lot of Zen. Indonesia isn't just Bali. It's over 17,000 islands, each with its own magic. From surfing in Lombok to hiking volcanoes in Java or snorkeling in the Gili Islands, This country offers experiences that would cost 5 times more elsewhere. Hostels in Ubud? You'll find beds in lush, garden-filled dorms for $5 a night. Massages? Still just $5. Local warung meals? $2 for rice, veggies, and grilled chicken. You can live well, eat fresh, and experience both nature and spirituality. Whether you're meditating in a bamboo hut or chasing waterfalls on a scooter, Indonesia feeds your soul without draining your wallet. Number 6. Egypt. Ancient history. Modern bargains. There's something incredible about standing in front of the pyramids and knowing you didn't pay a fortune to get there. Egypt is rich in history, culture, and affordability. You can ride a felucca on the Nile, visit ancient temples, and tour museums with guides, all on a modest daily budget. Street food is plentiful and delicious. Falafel, koshari, grilled meats, and costs mere cents. Public transportation is easy to navigate, and local markets offer souvenirs, spices, and crafts for bargain prices. Egypt offers more than history. It offers warmth, charm, and an unforgettable journey into the past at prices you won't believe are real. Number 7. Bolivia. The wild South American dream. Bolivia is like nature's museum. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, is surreal. The flamingo-filled lagoons, rainbow mountains, and high-altitude cities like La Paz offer sights you simply won't see anywhere else. Food? Street stalls sell empanadas, soups, and fresh juices for under $2. Hostels and homestays are widespread and budget-friendly. Even bucket list experiences like biking the Death Road or taking a guided tour of the salt flats won't hurt your budget. Bolivia is rugged, colorful, and raw, and it's one of the cheapest ways to truly feel like an explorer. Number 8. Turkey, where East meets West on a budget. Few places blend culture, food, history, and affordability like Turkey. Istanbul's mosques, bazaars, and baklava might be famous, but the real treasure is how much you can experience for so little. You can sip Turkish tea on the Bosphorus, eat a full meal with bread, salad, meat, and dessert for $5, and sleep in beautiful boutique hostels or pensions for under $15. Whether you're soaking in Pamukkale's thermal springs or watching hot air balloons in Cappadocia, Turkey feels rich, even if your wallet isn't. Plus, Turkish hospitality? Unmatched. So here's the truth. You don't need a big paycheck or a lottery win to see the world. What you need is knowledge of where to go, how to move, and what to prioritize. All these countries prove that adventure, peace, joy, and even luxury don't come from spending more. They come from spending smart. You don't need to be rich to live richly. You just need to be willing to explore. The only thing more expensive than travel is regret. If this video helped you dream a little bigger and plan a little smarter, hit that like button, share it with your travel buddy, and subscribe for more budget-friendly adventures. Your next journey might be one click away.